Here it describes, in text 2, it says, Shamavadatto Jashavraja Kundala Trishola Satri Varadambuja Puman Srivatsavaksha Balayanga Dola Sat Kirita Kanchi Gunacharu Nupura. Describes the form of Vamanadeva, says Sham Avadata, whose body is blackish and free from inebriety. This verse in 18th chapter of 8th canto, text 2, indicates that he was dark, sham color, like Krishna or Vishnu. The body of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, blackish in complexion, was free from any defects. His lotus face, decorated with earrings, Makara Kundala, appeared very beautiful. And Srivats was on his chest, bangles on his wrist armlets, on his arms, golden helmet, and belt on his waist, and sacred thread across his chest, and ankle bells decorating his lotus feet. This is a description of Lord Vamanadeva as he appeared in Indraloka before Bali Maharaj. How the picture of Vamanadeva on the cover, he's golden, that I can't understand. But that's there. Actually, when Vamanadeva appeared from the womb of his mother Aditi, he appeared in the form of Narayan, with 4 hands equipped with the necessary symbolic weapons. Then he immediately transformed himself into a brahmachari. So this is proof that Vamanadeva's body is not material. That's a comment on his birth. It doesn't say that. Still, when he appeared later, he was in this dark shamrang color as a young Brahmin boy. Bali welcomes him and offers him so much nice words. In chapter 19, Lord Vamanadeva begs charity from Bali Maharaj. This chapter describes how Vamanadeva asked for 3 steps of land in charity, and Bali agreed, but his guru Shukracharya forbade him to fulfill Vamadeva's request. So someone may wonder that Krishna, Lord Vishnu or Vamanadeva, he's the Sarvaloka Maheshwaram, which is told in Bhagavad Gita. He's the proprietor of all the planets and all the spiritual material world. So why should he be in want of land? Why is he begging 3 steps of land? But Lord Vamanadeva approached Bali not for his welfare, but for the welfare of his devotees. Devotees sacrifice all their personal interest to satisfy the Supreme Lord. And similarly, Krishna, although having no personal interests, can do anything for the interests of his devotees. One who is full in himself has no personal interests. This is a very interesting point. The Prabhupada says, one who is full in himself has no personal interests.